the vehicle.
I got it.
Watch out.
It won't let me get back up.
God damn, Pudgy. My bad, man. The Pudgy. There we go. You ain't gonna put the taser down.
No, you ain't good.
Ah.
Yeah, back there.
Watch out, let me get this. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Don't constantly tase him.
No, he's just gonna constantly
I'll
run
take him.
away.
He's wet.
I'll keep
He's wet, he's
tasing
wet,
him.
he's
He's
wet.
gonna put a
He's
lawsuit
wet,
on
he's
me.
wet.
Fuck. Oh no, he's gonna give me. He's gonna sue me. Oh no, he's gonna sue me. Oh my, he's gonna put a lawsuit on me. What is he gonna do? Run away? What else is he gonna do? Run away? Oh no, he's gonna put a lawsuit. Oh my god, lawsuit. Oh my god, oh
I'm
no.
about to die, bro. Chill the fuck out. with your
Alright,
stupid
alright,
ass.
Lieutenant, I got him, I got him.
God
He's not going
damn.
anywhere now.
You're fucking retarded, bro. Like, fucking kill yourself.
Well,
Well, I could say the same thing about you, mate.
I didn't even fucking do that.
But if you didn't do anything, you could have just came with us.
He's got a fucking gun in his hand, too.
Would have kept walking.
Hey, you better put that gun away.
I ain't even do shit. They doing this crap. I have to drink something or I'm gonna fucking die, bro.
I don't give a fuck.
You didn't care about that a second ago whenever you was too busy breaking cuffs, did you?
And now we see that
That's
you
so
have
stupid ass thing.
I'm gonna put him down. Fucking be ready to tase him if he takes off.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely ready. Yeah, I'm waiting. Come on.
You actually need to drink fucking water, people.
I was about to just give it. No. I was giving him a warning shot, letting him know if it is wrong. I'm ready.
What?
Drink your water, mate. Come on, get a sip.
Fucking go
Good,
with
can I
the
help
phone.
you? I appreciate it, man.
Talking over ready.
So, we had a suspect that we were trying to get in custody around your parking lot, but we just got, so I would just
I fucking
clear up
told
the
you, stop
scene.
fucking moving. Drink your fucking water.
I am drinking my fucking water, you dumb bitch.
Oh, don't take off.
Yo, somebody shoot these motherfuckers, bro.
That's a criminal threat. That's a criminal threat.
Hey, you guys try to take over. Let's
Yeah,
not get
fuck
shot.
your water, mate. That's criminal
What?
threats.
Yeah, fuck your mom, bitch.
Don't hit him with the vehicle.
Dude. Why does this keep happening?
Brother, you're caught. I don't know why you keep trying.
Holidays all day.
I'll fucking hit him with my baton again.
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting!
Where did he go?
Stop resisting! Stop resisting!
y'all
Stop
hit me one more time,
resisting!
I'm dead.
Stop
You know that, right?
resisting!
Then
Stop resisting!
Then I get got one.
Bro, if you don't shut the fuck up,
Stop
you dumbass
resisting!
motherfucker.
Stop
Don't
resisting! Oh, that's an assault on a law enforcement officer.
Oh, we gotta get him to the hospital.
Oh, you know, mate, if you would have just stop resisting, that wouldn't happen.
None of us are medically trained, so hopefully you don't die on the way to the hospital. We have to wait till he goes down again. I don't know.
Oh, he hit me so hard, he
He's
knocked my
right
hat
there.
off
We
somewhere.
have to wait till he goes down again.
Oh, heck no.
Had to be able to pick him up.
Wow. Holy crap, mate. That mate's got one of those bionic hits, mate. He slung my head off.
Alright, I
got one suspect in custody, taking him to the hospital.
I'll follow behind.